Hi, today I'm for Muviz mobile Revvl 6 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter the Muviz Edge. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Unfortunately, our device have no the AID feature by default. That's why we should get this application from here. Now let's just open the app and click Draw over apps. Then find here the Muviz search application and use this feature. After that, go back and tap here to the settings. Then we should be sure that this feature is activated. So now let's just lock our smartphone, and we can see that the always on display feature is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.